Now we have here the Page of Swords energy, an energy of someone taking glances, pero palihim, okay? May tinitingnan, pero hindi hinahayaang mahuli siya, no? Na may tinitingnan or may inoobserbahan. Yan. Pwede ring may tinititigan, no? Pero hindi nagpapa-obvious, no? With the Page of Swords energy, I do see that more likely, okay, I'm getting that the vibe from here, this is your energy. So, sino tong tinitingnan ninyo, inoobserbahan ninyo, no? And it looks like you keep on doing it, no? Okay, male, every day. Yan. Let us see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides, can we get more informations on this? Okay, let us. Hmm. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Seven of Wands, King of Swords, Star card energy. Yeah. Okay. Seven of Cups. So, hi and hello there, Collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So, if interested, i-click lamang yung link na yan na para kayo ay makapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga mga babes, wala tayong gender po dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga na magkapalit-palit kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will na. Free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So yun nga mga babes, no? So nakikita ko rito. By the way, timeless to ha. Pwedeng nangyari na sa iba. Sa iba nangyayari na po ngayon. Sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang, no? First nakikita ko rito with the Ace of Cups energy, Moon right in here. The very strong Two of Coins to the Eight of Wands. It looks like whoever energies I'm picking up for today, it looks like kayo ito, no? Na meron kayo ritong minamahal or may tao kayo ritong mahal, ngunit meron siya ritong mahal na iba. Yeah, I'm sorry, no? Nito yung ating nakuha for today kasi it looks like meron ditong mga sad girls or sad boys dito. Wala tayo ditong gender LGBTQs. Of course, welcome rin kayo. But it looks like your feelings aren't reciprocated, nabubulol, no? With this taong nagugustuhan ninyo, with this person here that you like, no? So, nakikita natin yun dito. So, kung sino man to na mga nakuha nating energies, no, ikaw, sweetheart, you like someone, but it looks like this person here do not like you, okay? Or meron siya ritong, yeah, malinaw. Meron siya rito na ibang gusto, may iba siya ritong minamahal, no? With the King of Cups energy, someone here, no, is inside his or her heart, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, nakita natin dito that you're keeping it to yourself. High Priestess energy, no? Yeah, hearing that song, no? Yung, bakit kailangan puso ay masakit? masaktan bago maintindihan ang siyang nararamdaman. Yeah, that's the song of Miss Chaya, no? So it looks like whatever energies I'm picking up for today, it looks like mas lalo mong naintindihan yung feelings mo, no? Mas lalo mo rito na na-realize na talagang mahal mo tong tao na to, no? Despite the fact or the truth that he or she loves somebody else, no? Yeah, this is something here that you keep to yourself, no? You're not telling this with anybody, even though sa mga friends mo, even doon sa mga closest mong mga person sa buhay mo, no? Walang nakakaalam nito. Okay? You're just keeping here the hurt, no? Sa heart mo. Okay? And dun sa parte na mas lalo mong naiintindihan yung nararamdaman mo is that, okay, even though you knew the truth, no, na meron siya rito, yeah, baka may ibang gusto yung nagugustuhan mo rito, yung crush mo, may ibang crush, no, or baka naman siya ay taken na, no, or yung taong mahal mo, no, it so happened na may ibang minamahal, no, and this is not something here, no, that makes you stop loving him or her, no, but it's the contrary, kabaliktaran. Mas lalo pa ritong naintindihan mo yung feelings mo, mas lalo pa ritong naging stronger and stronger yung feelings mo for that person. Okay? So nakita natin dito that with the two of coins energy right in here, this is what you don't understand with the moon ace of cups energy, no? Why do I keep on loving this person even though he or she is in love with somebody else? Yan, no? Why? With the Nine of Swords energy, this is what yung dahilan kung bakit ka rito nagising, no? Sa gabi up until madaling araw, no? Before you go to sleep, ano man yan na time of the day, I do see that the person you love holds someone else in his or her heart, no? Sino ating nakita dito, no? But this is you just can't help it, no? Even though this is the reality you're facing right now, even though this is what is happening right now, this is something here, no, na parang baka puwede, baka posible, 'yan 'no. Baka puwede, 'yan 'no, na maging kami pa din, 'yan. So, parang hoping kayo, waiting pa rin kayo. So, parang nakikita ko rito that with the Nine of Cups energy, Seven of Wands right in here, King of Swords 'no, the star in the Seven of Cups 'no. Okay, naiintindihan ko kayo dito sa parte na 'to because this is something here that's natural. Okay, so ano ba 'yan, Miss, 'yan? Even though hindi kayo rito masamang tao 'no, hindi kayo yung klase ng energy ritong mang-aagaw or whatsoever, wala kayong gano'ng klase ng energy, matino kayo, maayos kayo 'no, but meron pa rin kayo dito 'no, na naiintindihan ko 'tong parte na 'to 'no, kasi may wishful thinking pa rin kayo rito 'no, na parang there's a part of you 'no, na parang nagwi-wish. Alam mo naman meron tayo minsan na parang little angel sa ating isang shoulder 'no, like let's say sa left shoulder 'no, and may little devil din tayo sa ating right shoulder na bumubulong-bulong 'no. So nakikita ko rito 'no na meron kayo ritong little devil 'no, naiintindihan natin this is just a valid reason right here 'no. Ano 'yun, Miss, 'yan 'no, na meron ka pa ring desire diyan na sana with the King of Swords energy, maghiwalay din sila, baka puwede na kami nun. Or may gano'n kayong klase ng energy, sana maghiwalay sila or whatever 'no, and you know that it's not right to wish that kind of thing, but there's a part of you that you cannot lie and deny 'no, na meron pa ring parte sa puso mo na mas masarap sana sa feeling kung kaming dalawa 'no. So, parang may energy ka rin dito na parang sana maghiwalay sila in the future 'no. Pero minsan kapag nare-realize mong naiisip or nawi-wish mo 'yun, ay naku mali 'yun, 'yan 'no. Hindi ako 'yun, mali yung gano'n, 'yan 'no. Pero minsan kapagka nasasaktan ka, naalala mo 'no, na ibang tao yung mahal niya, nagkakaroon ka ng ganitong wishful thinking 'no, and it's okay. Okay? Hindi naman ito isang kasalanan or whatever 'no, 'yan, 'di ba? So, it's normal thing because this is something here 'no, that human beings tend to think 'no, sa kanilang thoughts, okay? And siyempre you like this person here, yung iba tagal niyo na siyang gusto, nakita natin dito, okay? Yung iba parang parang nauna pa nga kayo rito na makilala niya 'no, pero yun nga 'no, maaaring, um hindi kayo 'no, yung kanya rito 'no, na napupusuan or nagugustuhan 'no, sa may gano'ng klase ng energy. However, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this person here is, so mabait 'no, nakita natin dito na nagke-carry siya rito ng, um positive light 'no, wherein ang ibig ko sabihin dun, hindi siya masamang tao, nice siya, thoughtful siya, and maybe maraming rason kung bakit ka nagkagusto sa kanya. Okay, kasi nakikita din natin dito that this person here carries light sa kanyang energy. Possible din that this person uplifts your soul. Puwede rin talaga na nakakausap mo siya directly. Puwedeng ka-work mo siya rito, nagbibigay siya sa'yo rito ng advice sa work or sometimes when you have problems or, facing challenges na maybe this person here guides you through his or her advices and tips 'no, na talaga namang nakakatulong sa'yo 'no. That's why you like this person here, and even though I'm seeing that you're trying your very best, no, with the Seven of Wands energy to avoid this person. You just can't help it. Because, lalo na kung ito ay katrabaho mo. I'm seeing coins right in here. Okay? Hindi mo siya pwedeng maiwasan lalo na kung tabi kayo ng upuan. Or kung sa school, puwedeng magkasunod kayo rito ng letter ng surname, 'di ba? Laging kasunod kayo sa upuan. So, parang kayo ito na gusto mo sana 'no, na parang ilayloy yung iyong feelings 'no, magbawas ng feelings, lalong mga babes hindi niyo magawa-gawa 'no, dahil this person here 'no, is talagang nag-i-illuminate yung light niya 'no. So, imbes na parang mabawasan yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya sa iyong mga pagdistansya-distansyang ganyan, mas lalo mo lang siya ritong nagugustuhan 'no. So, may mga action siya rito na talagang alam mo yun, mas lalo lang nagpapa-fall sa'yo sa kanya, 'yan. So, nakikita ko rito 'no, na patuloy pa rin kayo rito na parang, i-o-observe, okey, ang inyo ritong feelings 'no, and alam mo 'yun 'no, may energy kayo na, "Hindi ko siya kayang iwasan today, bukas na lang." Tapos pagdating ng bukas, hindi mo pa rin siya kayang iwasan 'no, sasabihin mo, "Bukas na lang ulit." Hanggang sa bukas ng bukas, mamaya ng mamaya, hindi mo na naiwasan. May gano'ng klase ng energy, okey? Mahirap talaga 'tong maiwasan lalo na kung kaklase mo 'yan, katrabaho mo 'yan 'no, 'yan. At saka kung 'yan naman ay kapitbahay at iisa lang ang daanan, talagang madadaanan mo talagang bahay nila 'no, puwedeng gano'n. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this is something here 'no, na challenging for you guys 'no, but this is you, ayaw mo rin makagulo sa kanilang dalawa dito kung sino man yung taong mahal niya 'no, so you're just keeping it quiet 'no, low-key ka dito, High Priestess energy, okey. May feelings pero hindi mo pinagbumukhang obvious, 'yan 'no, okey. Oh, so yeah, for the initials, we have it here. So we have here the letter P, andito din ang letter G, plus nandito din ang O, plus we have here the letter N, letter M, letter D, and last but not the least, letter T. Yan. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And again, amen. Sarang love and light. And